Ka MLA Congress ka kong amperin lingdo kalapan pau ya ka jing lyngngoh jong ka halor ka jing kli jogi kam Ehrang ha ka Jylla. Ka kong amperin kalaong baka sarkar Congress kalala ban tehlakam yi kam Ehrang hendrai kani ka sarkar ka pamenta kam syam lala ban beteng ya kata. Ka kong amperin lingdo kala anu saru da ka jing bu bom kibalami hapo ka Jylla.
You see, this entire dealing of the government with ultras appears very confused. We have seen that when ultras join the national mainstream, there has been no prescribed formula, no prescribed uh, give and take preparations. So I really do not know why, for the first time in the state of Meghalaya, a band outfit would want to interfere to this extent in politics of the state. I have no idea. Maybe there have been dialogues between them that went really bitter and sour. We are not privy to all of those dialogues because we've just seen what happened on the 13th of August to one such surrendery. So maybe because of their engagement with them, there has been this fallout that is beyond our comprehension because the common man is not privy to these dialogues. There was a big promise for a complete neutralization of one such militant outfit in the state of Meghalaya. There was much expectation for the peace that the Congress had initiated in the state with regards to ultra movements would sustain itself when the government of the day had said that they were in communication for a complete dissolving of that ultra group. Congress has done its own duty. We have done our own diligent duty where other outfits across the state have been completely neutralized. It's difficult for us to comprehend why this is happening again. Why suddenly there is this increased activity of threatening, of placement of IEDs, of all of these kinds of situations, which is very detrimental to the peace that is much required in our state at this point of time post COVID-19 pandemic. This government will have to answer. Why is it that they have been targeted? They know best. We are not privy. Why is there so much anger? One group will not be so angry unless something really bitter has happened. I'm just presuming because I don't know. We tried to bring up a couple of questions in the last session on the floor of the assembly to discuss this matter. But unfortunately, those questions lapsed. And we were not able to discuss. Because for us in the opposition, this is our only forum. The assembly is the only place where we can lend advisories to the government through debates and discussions. But you have seen that that was not what happened in the session. So it's unfortunate to see that a band outfit would find something so important as to make those kinds of statements. What is more surprising is the fact that, oddly so, only in the by-election I can overtly see one candidate which has given an unnecessary security protection. So how deep are these threats? How real are these threats? Only the government can reply. Only the government can respond. We are not privy. But it is very unfortunate that if in 2023 all of the election platforms of one political party would be wasting security manpower, how much of manpower can you give to defend someone? I think all of us have been in this dedicated service to the people for a very long time. At some point of time or the other, all of us have been given some sort of a threat.